Today I am featuring a card using a no-line watercolor technique. I'm going to be using my Winsor & Newton watercolors that I purchased online. I will leave the link down below. I will also leave a card somewhere in this video or a link in the description box for how I used a brayer to actually ink up my stamp in my positioning tool so that I have a nice even impression. I'm using a number 4 watercolor brush. I have not much water in my spray bottle. I'm going to do a somewhat rainbow technique. I also have a baby wipe to clean my brush off between colors. And as you can see, there was still some color left in this particular brush. I will probably play some music for you as I do the watercoloring. My music comes from Epic Sound, and I will leave a link down below.
Woke up outside in the rain today. Not a clue to where or how. Woke up alone, feeling blue today. What on earth do I do now? What on earth do I do now? Stole some quotes of a line somewhere. Didn't know what else to do. But out on the back porch with the most striking blue, what on earth will she do now? What on earth will she do now? Says the coffee's on and French bread is baked brand new. You look like you could use some chow. And since you're standing out here anyhow, what on earth do we do now? What on earth do we do now? What on earth do we do now? Now that we've found this thing somehow.
This is the finished watercolor piece. I really love the way it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to share my videos on your social media. Stay happy and be a blessing. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.